Now we come to the addition and subtraction of masses. Firstly, we do the addition of masses. Here in example 1, you are asked to add 3 kilogram 482 gram and 6 kilogram 269 grams. Firstly, we would write the given masses in proper columns and then we would perform the addition of those masses. So, columns would be kilogram and gram. First mass was 3 kilogram and 482 grams. Second mass was 6 kilogram and 269 grams. And we are asked to add these two masses. Then we perform the firstly addition of grams into grams. Means firstly we would add these two numbers. Is we would add 482 and 269 first. 2 plus 9 gives 11. 1 would be written in one's column and 1 would be carried to the next column, that is column of tens. And here we get 8 plus 1 plus 6. 8 plus 1 gives 9. 9 plus 6 gives 15. 5 would be written under tens column and 1 would be carried to the hundreds column. And now 4 plus 1 plus 2 means 4 plus 1 5 and 2 7. 751 grams we obtained after adding these 2 grams. Now we would perform addition in the kilogram column and here 3 and 6 give us 9. So our answer is 9 kilogram 750 gram. Answer was 9 under the kilo. No need to write kilogram and gram over here. Just first perform the addition. You get 9751. You know that 9 is written under kilogram column. So your answer would be written as 9 kilograms 751 grams, as 751 was the sum of given masses in gram column. So write now answer as 9 kilograms 751 grams. Now we come to the next question, which is based on subtraction of masses. Means we are going to solve example number 3, which is based on subtraction of masses. Here you are asked to subtract 3 kilogram 836 gram from 8 kilogram 953 grams. Firstly, you would arrange the numbers in proper columns, that is columns would be kilogram and gram, and you are to subtract 3 kilogram 836 gram from 8 kilogram 953 grams. So bigger number is 8 kilogram 953 grams. We have to subtract, gram is written over the column, so no need to write gram again. And the second mass is 3 kilogram 836 grams. Now we are going to subtract this masses. While subtracting 6 from 3, we have to borrow one digit from tens column. Here we would be left with 4 and it would become 13. 13 minus 6 gives us 7. 4 minus 3 gives us 1. 9 minus 8 gives us 1. So the subtraction of grams give us 117 gram. And if we subtract 3 from 8, it gives us 5. So your answer is 5 kilogram 117 grams. Right? Now we solve the word problem, which is given as example 1. A vegetable vendor has 12 kilogram 250 gram onions and 23 kilogram 500 gram potatoes on his cart. What is the total mass of onions and potatoes on his cart? Means you are asked to find the total mass, and to find the total mass in the cart of the vegetable seller or the vendor, you can say, you have to add the given masses. And to find the total mass of onion and potato in the cart of the vendor, we are just going to add these masses. Firstly, we would write these masses in the proper columns of kilogram and gram, and these masses are 12 kilogram 250 gram and 23 kilogram 500 grams. Firstly, we would add the grams, which are 0 plus 0 gives 0, 5 plus 0 gives 5, 2 plus 5 gives 7, 750 grams. And when we add 12 and 23, firstly we would add 2 plus 3, it gives us 5. Then we would add 1 and 2, it gives us 3. So our answer is 35 kilogram and 750 grams. No need to write grams over here because gram is written over the column. So now write the answer in kilogram and gram as 35 kilogram 750 gram. So the total mass that the vendor was having in his cart was 35 kilometers 750 grams. Now you can solve exercise 11.5 in your books or in your notebooks. Now we come to the section of multiplication and division of masses. As we perform the multiplication and division of lengths, similarly following the same methods, we can multiply and divide the masses also. Firstly, we multiply the masses. In example number 1, you are asked to multiply 3 kilogram 246 gram by 2. Again, we would write two columns, kilogram and gram. Kilograms are 3 given here and 246 grams are given here. We are asked to multiply this mass by 2. Then firstly, we would multiply grams by 2. 2 6 are 12. Means 1 would be carried to the tens column. 2 4s are 8 and 1 gives 9. We would just multiply these numbers and carried digit would be added to the answer, added to the product. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 gives 9. And we would multiply 2 with 2, it gives us 4. So grams are 492 here. And when we multiply kilogram with 2, it gives us 6. So your answer would be 6 kilogram 492 gram. Now we would perform the division of masses. In example number 1, you are asked to divide 8 kilogram 364 by 4. Now again make the two columns kilogram and gram. Here 8 is written under the kilogram and 364 is written in the gram column. Now we would perform the division of this mass by 4. Firstly, we would divide kilograms by 4. So 4 2s are 8. You know that 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 8 gives 0. And now we would divide 364 grams by 4 in the separate column. And now 364 when divided by 4. What does it give us? As quotient, 364 divided by 4. Firstly, we try to divide 3 by 4. It is not possible because 3 is smaller than 4. So we would consider the digits 3 and 6. We would try to divide 36 by 4. And you know that 4 9s are 36. 36 minus 36 gives us 0. And 4 is brought down. You know that 4 1s are 4. 4 minus 4 gives us 0. So your answer is 91 in this case. So 91 would be grams here. Kilogram were 2 and grams were 91. So your answer when you divide 8 kilogram 364 gram by 4, you get answer as 2 kilogram 91 grams. Now we move forward towards the word problems based on multiplication and division of masses. In this example, the statement given is a restaurant used 23 kilogram 150 gram vegetables in a day. How much vegetables does it use in 5 days? It is very much clear to you that when there is given some mass for 1 day use and you are asked to find the mass of the veggies for 5-day use, it means you are to find the bigger number. It means you would multiply the given mass with the number with the digit 5. So write the words as vegetables used in 1 day equal to 23 kilogram 150 gram and vegetable used in 5 days means we would multiply 23 kilogram 150 gram by 5. Perform the multiplication as we done in the example number 1 and in that way we would get 115 kilogram 750 gram. When we multiply 23 kilogram and 150 gram with 5, we get 115 kilogram 750 gram as our answer. Now solve exercise 11.6 to reinforce the concept. And now we come to the topic of measuring capacity. Till now you are very well aware with the measuring lengths, their addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And similarly, these processes, these steps we performed in the section of measuring masses. Now we come to the section of measuring capacity. You know that amount of liquid that a container can hold is called its capacity. So capacity can be defined as the amount of liquid something can hold is called its capacity. Something means some container that can hold it. Small amounts of liquid like medicines etc. are measured in milliliters, while large amounts of liquids like petrol, oil, these are measured in liters. Cooking oil also measured in liters, milk is also measured in liters. So you can say that the quantities, the liquids that are required in small quantities are measured in milliliter. Milliliter is the smaller unit to measure the capacity, and liter is the bigger unit to measure the capacity of liquids. For example, we measure milk, ghee, or you can say cooking oil, petrol, etc. using the unit liter. And the relation between liter and milliliter is 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. Here L is short form of liter and ml is short form of milliliter. You can see over here, liter in short is written as L and milliliter in short is written as ml. So the relation between them, keep in mind that it is 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. Let's convert units. Firstly, you are asked to convert 3 liter into milliliter. And you know that there are 1000 milliliter in 1 liter. So you would multiply 3 with 1000. So your answer would be 3000 milliliter. To convert 2 liter 6 milliliter into milliliter, you would firstly convert 2 liter into milliliter by multiplying 2 with 1000. So it would give you 2000 milliliter. And 6 milliliter were already given. You would add 6 to it. This answer would be 2006 milliliter. So 2 liter 6 milliliter give us 2006 milliliter. Now you are asked to convert 8 liter 250 milliliter into milliliter. Again, we would firstly multiply 8 with 1000 to convert it into milliliter. It gives us 8000 milliliter and 250 milliliter were already there. We would add 8000 and 250 together and our answer would be 8250 milliliter. This is how we can convert liter into milliliters.